Swami, you can start. Yeah, namaste.
Namaskar.
Well, we are at the Brahma Vidya Peetham International Ashram
Yeah.
at Karatal, and we are about to interview Sadhvi Ananda Maya Giri. She is
Yeah.
the resident Swami here, and Brahmadev and Swami Brahma
Sarupananda.
of India.
Yeah.
So we'll begin by asking Swamiji to introduce himself.
Really, from the Banaras, Kasi, in India, Uttar Pradesh, I came in this country. So, beginning I was coming 15 days, 20 days, 30 days, about 10 years coming and going. In 1995, here organized the Ramayana conference. They stayed for a long time. Then 2000, I organized International Hindu Conference and collected all people undergroundly. Then they came, very successful program. 45 scholars came from India also. Basudeb Pandey was the Prime Minister. He opening ceremony with the Hanuman Chalisa he did. Very great news was for India. After that 2001 we organized Sadhu conference, very big conference. One man help given the helicopter from here to Guyana and Suriname, and then Barbados, like this, then America. Very great program that. After that, then mostly 5-6 months staying in this country, but working America, Barbados, Suriname, Guyana, and Japan, Israel, China, Moscow, everywhere. About 62 countries moving, but I make the center of my work from here. So suddenly she dedicated the life Anandaji. So now is working now growing. He also helping for me on the media, newspaper and this and that, Mr. Parasuramji.
Okay, so Swamiji, tell me something about what's your opinion of the Hindu community here in terms of strengths, its strengths, weaknesses, and so on.
What is a Hindu community? His attachment of the Hindu thought, Hindu philosophy, very good, very deep. And even the priests of this country, they are not well trained, but they preserve our culture in this country. They try to propagate. So that is our great asset. Ki many priests, they are working own way without any complete education and training, but doing very good. I appreciate. Then Sanatan Mahasabha opened the many school. That is also great asset of the Hindu society. Many temple, 240 temple in this country, and different village, and they interior village has the temple, big temple. As last Swami Ganapati Sachidananda came and he established the 85 feet Hanuman Murti. All country president and prime minister, they involved in that program. A big temple they have. That is a Hindu societies. I am not like to use the Hinduism, because Hinduism not proper word. Hinduism make a frame. Our Hindu thought is not in frame, because books many, founder many, seer rishi, so many things very enlarged. But West now started to think about the Hindu thought in America to Europe and everywhere. So, asset of this country, Hindu thought, Hindu society doing good work, but that is not enough. If they do more, there some people under conversion, they are changing the own dharma, but our Hindu society not aware. In this, some people struggle, but that struggle very weak, not so strong. That is a casteism. Varna Vyavastha was enough, but casteism in India to hear the problem, but that is become weak and weaker day by day. And third, before all holy books was not available in English, but now all books in English, Indian scholar they published, that books is coming in this country, people study. But mostly rituals and spiritual two limbs of the Hindu society. Whole society is depend on the rituals. They are always busy in rituals, but not interested too much about the thought, philosophy, and then opinion, how to embrace the whole world. We are giving the knowledge, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, whole world my family, but not in action. Yeah. So, but I hope, as in whole world, Hindu thought is going, and this is also best part of Hindu movement, and about many Indian people in this country. So, I am happy that they are very aware about Hindu thought, Hindu society, but that is not enough.
But tell me something, you said Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We said that the world is one family, but we don't practice it. What are some recommendations you will make for us to strengthen our bonds here as Hindus?
No, why thought in this? 100% people of society, they can't follow the ideal. My calculation, my experience, if the 2% people can follow the ideal, they can make a turning point of the history. Our work is how to prepare 2% people of the whole population. They can change the whole world, but other people, 98% people eat, drink and be merry, enjoy everything, but no dedication. They enjoying the dharma, and but some 2% people, that is necessary to prepare in every country.
So are we far from getting that 2%? Or are we doing well, getting close to that?
Yeah, now preparing. Now the momentum came. Before, now people not everybody knows due to the media what is going in India, what is Malaysia, and some people torturing the Hindu society. Whole world send the letter, hey, it is wrong. Before, Christian and their human right was in United Nations. Muslim human right, no Hindu right, no human right for Hindus. Now registered Hindu. That is a great objection, that great movement. Even in America, Time newspaper has given 23% American people had the Shankar Bhagwan dance photo and the Krishna Ganesh ji, and 27% people given application to government Obama period, given the letter ki I don't like to burn my body, prepare that thing. Not only in America, And in White House, from the Obama period, we started to Diwali celebration, and British Common House Parliament, then our Diwali celebrated. Provincial opening assembly in America and everywhere. Religious prayer, Hindu was not included, only Christian was, but now our people are included. I have record how my Pandit is doing. Near to Suriname, near to Trinidad, Tobago, Suriname, new president, and in the parliament, wow, promise as a president with the Veda mantra. Yeah. So, that is a great awakening is coming. People is going to aware. Okay. Yoga and meditation, you can't say. Family values, family always fragmented, broken now. But values of the family is popular. And then Margaret Thatcher, I was in England that time, she came in our program, she told, I like the family structure of the Hindu society. They attach to each other, and then, but now broken, because that is a direct effect of the West, yeah, due to this, yeah. But after that, we have value, everybody ready to accept.
What about India? What about in India, the highest earning bracket, the Indians from India, and they are very successful in IT and NASA and so on. What do you have to say on those things?
Very good question. Now every country, they want to brain, skill, and then expert of Indian people in different part of the national life. 90,000 expert of the computer Australia has taken from India. 90,000, and all Denmark top expert of the computer is Indian. He is giving plenty money, but any international national computer, any problems, he is solving the problem. So, then all university of the IIT and then all the engineering, that is very best in India. 480 university in India, they different: agriculture university, engineering university, medical university. From the Trinidad, every year 2 students going for the MBBS course in India. Every year 2 engineer going in India for learning engineering course, they are coming here. So, India is now, before India was coming to learn for degree in Europe and America, now Europe and America going India, learn not well, even the Ayurveda. But I am surprised, we are trying Ayurveda, but people not listening. That is primitive medicine. Yeah. Oh, now, after the corona, COVID-19, I am using COVID-19, not corona. COVID-19, because COVID word is our Ramayana word and our Hanuman Chalisa, kabhi COVID kahi sake kahate. So, COVID means very good meaning, positive meaning, quality of intellectuality, intellectual. Okay. So, this period Ayurveda became very popular, day by day going big popular. Aloe juice in America, aloe juice, the turmeric powder, making the juice with the sugar and then black pepper on the many shop, and they are going people buying and drinking. So, Ayurveda is growing in Europe, and then many countries. I wrote article on the way Ayurveda in this country and then India and Europe, they printed my lecture. And then second is that is not popular, but is popular now day by day. There is a Brahman cow. Brahman cow, so popular from 1885, cow came and bull came from India. First of all came in Brazil, Brazil to America, America to Australia, and then Australia to the London and Holland and Denmark and Norway. They are cow country. Okay. So, why meat of the cow of Indian more vitamins, iron, and then all quality is there. Even the hump, only the hump Indian cow has. Other countries cow has no hump. Yeah. So, all these things very popular. 35,000 cow for the research in Houston, in one campus. Every year Brahman cow conferences every year, and so I try to go this year, but due to the COVID cancelled then. You know. So, all these things Ayurveda, cow, and then way of living, yoga and meditation and family values. People declare more peace loving society is a Hindu society, more peace loving. Yeah, I am not going to take name of who is a more terrorist society. So, everybody like the peace loving our society. We are not fighting, we are avoiding. So, in any country no Hindu movement against anybody. Second, we are the multicultural society. Hindu thought is multicultural society. I am seeing Shankar Bhagwan, Ramakrishna, and then Durga Ma. You can do your puja, no difference. Ishwar Allah Ek Hi Naam, but other community not reciting Ishwar Allah Ek Hi Naam. We are reciting only. All this quality, multicultural quality is not in other religion. Religion word, it is out of date. Personally, I am not using. I am in place of the religion. I like to use spiritualism, spirituality. Yeah. So, I want to the how science and the spiritualities be together, So, second, more democratic nature. Hinduism had more democratic nature. Mane, you have any thought, so can do. Mane, Vedic thought was going, suddenly Buddhist thought came. We didn't torture to Buddhist. Buddhist also growing. Now whole Korea, Vietnam, China, Lanka, Japan, they are dominated by the Buddhist thought, democratic. But other, they can't tolerate the Jesus Christ crucified. They can't tolerate the Socrates given poison. Yeah, whose research doing? Ki no, earth is moving, sun is stagnant, and they burn them, living body, they burn them. So, we are very democratic, free thinking we have. So, I like the Hinduism, this quality, but democratic quality, multicultural qualities and rainbow culture. I was here, attended the program of Mrs. Mandela wife, Bini Mandela. What? Your Prime Minister Pandit told, Madam, this country is a multicultural society, rainbow culture. Suddenly he snatched the mic. What's he told, you know? I don't believe rainbow culture, because rainbow culture has no black color. So, this type thought, however free thought Hinduism, Hindu thought, democratic thought, Hindu thought, and then more family based Hindu thought, thinking for everybody. We are accepting cow is my mother, river is my mother, more environmental love in Hinduism. Last night I did the puja, the sugarcane plant, sugarcane, we have the sugarcane plant. All God attached to the one tree, one animal. Ganesh with the rat, Krishna as a cow, okay, and all river. We love to river. Now river polluted, plant is going finished, and deforestation. So Hindu thought is a best thought. Hindu thought is a scientific thought. Hindu thought is a humanistic thought, and Hindu thought is a the love to the whole world. What is weakness, negativity? We can remove. People has come. Vivekananda came to purify and Yogananda has come. Ramakrishna has come. So everybody, great soul coming. Yogi Arvinda has come. Or time to time, the great soul is coming to purify the Hinduism. In other religion, there is no chance to change. They are rigid. Here no rigidity. According to need, change. So my request, oh my brother of Trinidad and Tobago and Caribbean, stay with the Hindu thought, propagate the Hindu thought. Propagation, preservation, organization and education, that is necessary than Hinduism.